Ever stared at a complex industrial panel and wondered about the unsung heroes behind its seamless operation? Well, today we're diving deep into one of those crucial components, the KTP900 membrane switch keyboard touchscreen. This isn't just another piece of tech. It's the very interface that bridges human command with machine precision, specifically the 6AV21256 AV2 125-2 JB030AX0 model, combining both a keypad and a touchpad. What immediately strikes you about this unit is its purpose-built design. In environments where dust, spills, and constant use are the norm, a standard keyboard simply wouldn't survive. That's where the membrane switch technology truly shines. It's incredibly robust, offering a sealed surface that shrugs off contaminants, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. You can almost feel the resilience built into every key press. The tactile feedback, while subtle, is precise enough to confirm your input without requiring excessive force, which is vital for operators who might be wearing gloves or working quickly. The integration of both a keypad and a touchpad into a single unit is a brilliant move for efficiency. Imagine navigating complex menus or inputting data without having to switch between different input devices. The touchpad itself is surprisingly responsive, allowing for smooth cursor control, which is a huge advantage when dealing with graphical interfaces on the KTP900. It's not a consumer-grade glass surface, of course, but for its intended industrial application, the accuracy and low latency are truly impressive. It feels like a well-engineered tool, designed to do one job exceptionally well, and it delivers. From an installation perspective, while we're not doing a full teardown, the design suggests a straightforward replacement or integration process, which is paramount in maintaining uptime for critical systems. The connectors are typically robust, ensuring a secure and reliable connection that won't falter under vibration or continuous operation. It's the kind of component you install and then largely forget about, precisely because it just works, day in and day out. This KTP900 membrane switch isn't flashy, but its unwavering reliability and thoughtful combination of input methods make it an absolutely essential piece of the puzzle for any system relying on the KTP900 platform. It's a testament to functional, durable engineering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.